No, this is not a Lasonic 931. This is my new toy. So this is the Numark Platinum Effects DJ controller for Serato. I'm going to do an unboxing, and not unlike Brad Pitt, I have to ask, what's in the box?
What's in the box?
All right, so here we go.
Here we go. Here we go.
My official unboxing. I'm kind of new to this unboxing thing. I don't know why it's a thing, but it seems like it's a thing. So I'm going to do the thing.
Honey, you should always feel the thing.
Let's spin this around like a record, baby. All right, the Numark Mixtrack Platinum Effects. Okay, I'm really excited. Uh-oh, there's actual tape here. Okay, I gotta get a screw because I don't have a... All right, let's see what's in the box. All right. Oh, I'm really excited. I don't know what all... Everything comes with paper. It's like a waste. All right. Let's put this box right here. Let's throw that around. All right. Let's throw that around and let's get to the creamy center. More tape. Oh, it's got that fresh controller smell. It's not like when you open your first set of 1200s though. That smell, like herpes, will stay with you forever. All right, let's flip this around. So here we go. This is actually heavier than I thought it was going to be. It's got a bit of heft to it. Wow, I'm really surprised. I was expecting this to weigh like a pound. Okay, that's because of the big wheels. These are the same size wheels that you have on the DDJ-SXs. A lot of controllers have these wheels now. Man, the wheels feels nice. That's why it's heavy. The wheels feel really good. Oh, I can't wait to play with this thing and review it for you guys. Right away, you'll notice what's different with this controller versus the Mixtrack. And you've got this effects section right here, hence the name Platinum FX. The microphone they actually put up top.
On the top?
On the top.
I love that because a lot of these controllers in this price range put the mic control on the back, which is dumb. Okay, so this thing's heavy. The wheels are heavy. They got a nice spin to it. Good texture right here. It has a lot of friction. The pitch control is huge for this size controller. You've got a full size pitch control. You've got rubberized. You have the rubberized knobs. That's a nice touch right there. Oh, I like that. I like the rubberized knob. Yeah, that's good. Got good grip. The pads are nice and soft. These they look aluminum. They're plastic, but they look aluminum, but they've got, they feel pretty good so far. The filter button is huge. That's great because in a dark club environment, you reach for that thing in the dark, you know exactly what it is. Effects section. Oh man, I'm really excited. I love that they did this. They put this texture on here to make these, the sync and cue and play button, metallic. I also like that they kept the decks exactly symmetrical. Where the buttons are here are the buttons on this. Where the buttons are on one side, it's the same on the other. Very well thought out controller. Instant doubles, filters. You got your beats here. You can tap for your BPMs. All in all, so far, I'm impressed. I've done quite a few Numark videos over the last couple months, and I'm glad that I was able to get my hands on one of these. RCA outs to be expected. You have a 1/4 inch microphone in, USB port, of course, and you have a 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch jack for your headphones. I'll be playing with this for the next couple of weeks and have a review out for this really soon. Thanks for joining me on my little box opening. I like that they put the 45 RPM adapters in the back. That's something no one really will notice. Nice touch, Numark. I can't wait. So what do you think of the Numark so far? Leave your comments down below and let me know what you think so far. Let me know if you have one of these, what your feelings are on it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Don't forget to punch that notification button so that way you'll be notified each and every time I do a video. If you want to support my page and come along with me on this journey of YouTube channelism, I'll put my Patreon link in the bottom below, and that helps me to produce better content and be able to get all of these toys to do reviews on. And I'll be doing a review of this really soon. Thanks for watching, everybody.